How to fake your GPS location on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Play Store, or you can open up Play Store from the apps screen. Now in here, you want to tap on the search button and go to the search text box. Put in fake GPS. Then we go down and tap on fake GPS location. Now in here, tap on the install button. This should be fairly fast. Then tap on open. In here, tap on open settings. This will open up the developer options. If you haven't already turned on developer options, you need to enable it. Please find my how to enable developer options video for my channel. Okay, so while you're in here, you scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on select mock location app. Then select fake GPS. After, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now we go into the app screen and open up the fake GPS app. Here you want to move the pin to the location where you want to use. So let's say we're going to Colorado, okay, maybe Denver. In here we zoom right in and we park right there. Then tap on the execute button. Okay, so mock location is now set your location. So we're going to say open up maps and then tap on find. Here you can see it will find our current location that we have just set. And that is how you can fake your GPS location on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.